Hi, myself Suganya, Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration in Dr. S.R.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video, I am going to discuss about how we are going to install Tableau on both Windows and the Mac OS. So, what is the features of installing the Tableau in a desktop? So, first we have to see about how we are going to install Tableau in a Windows environment. So that is a Windows operating system. How we are going to install Tableau in a Windows operating system. So for most first we have to download Tableau desktop. So that is we are going to Tableau desktop from the website. So we have to visit the Tableau website and navigate into the page called download. So we have to choose appropriate version of downloading the Tableau desktop. It may be of 32-bit or a 64-bit. So based on our operating system, we have to select which kind of version we are going to download and use it. So for that I am choosing that as a 32-bit of operating system. So next we have to click the download button and save it into the installer file on your device. So we are just clicking on the download button to download the Tableau desktop in a Windows environment. Second, we have to run the installer. So first we have to locate the downloader file into the installer file. So it is commonly extended with the .exe file extension. We have to double click on the installer button, so installer file. Third one will be the installation wizard. Installation wizard is nothing but after opening these things, it moved into the installation wizard. So follow up on the screen instruction will be begin for the installation. Next we are going to accept the license agreement given from the Tableau desktop to the Windows environment. So we are just reading and accepting the license of the Tableau desktop. Next will be we are going to choose where the location will be installation file located in our operating system. So for that we have to select and destination folder where you want to going to install the Tableau, or it may be of default location. Next one will be we have to choose what kind of Tableau desktop version we are going to use. So in this case we have to use we are just selecting the installation type. In the default option is nothing but typical. So we are going to select the typical as a installation type, and you are going to customize when it is needed for the installation. So next we are going to enter a product key. So product key is nothing but it is a prompt one. So no one going to use that one. So we are just selling. So we are just paying the amount for that software, and you are going to use that software. So if you don't have a product key, you can select the option for a 14 days trial option also you can choose. If you have a product key, you can enter the product key, or else you may go into for a trial version of that one. Next you are going to you are coming into the final part, that is you are going to complete the installation process of Tableau desktop. So you have to click on the installation button. So installations will copy necessary files and set up for the Tableau desktop on our system. So next finish the installation process. Once the installation is complete, you will get a confirmation message that you are going to finish and exit from the installer pages. So next it will be going to launch a Tableau desktop. So after installing all the software, it want to launch the particular software whatever it installed. If it is does not open automatically, you can find a Tableau desktop shortcut on your desktop startup menu bar. So in this video we will discuss about how we are going to install Tableau desktop on a Windows page. So just a recap for that one. So we are going to download the Tableau desktop from your system and select or run the installer, and you can get a installation wizard. After accepting the license agreement from the Tableau desktop, you are moving into the installation location, and later you are going into the installation type. After that you are going to enter a product key. Later it will going for a completion page, and after that you are going to launch the Tableau desktop in a through the shortcut menu or a startup menu. Thank you.